Man, I've been looking forward to making this one. I've got cinnamon rolls, I've got a little bit of heavy whipping cream, the no-bake cheesecake. I'm gonna put little spoonfuls of apple butter, and I have something over here that's a secret, and it's gonna be topped at the end. So for right now, I'm gonna open this up all the way and put cinnamon rolls in the pan. I just have the little silicone in the bottom. And I've preheated my oven to 375. All right. So I have those in the bottom of the pan. And then I'm going to add a little bit of whipping cream. Or a lot. And now I'm going to take the cheesecake and spread it over. I think I'm going to use about half of it. We'll see. I'm not going to use the whole thing. Because I want to use the other part to make another set of cinnamon rolls, but that one will be pumpkin butter. And as usual, I'm making a mess. Gotta have fun. I'm just hoping for a delicious mess. Alright, so then move that over. I'm going to add a little bit of apple butter. And for the secret part, add a little bit of leftover bacon. Because I love the sweet and salty. Alright, so like I said, the oven is preheated at 375. I'm thinking about 20-25 minutes and these should be ready. I almost forgot to show you what it looks like before I put it in the oven. Look at that delicious soupy cinnamon roll mess. The cinnamon rolls were in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, and look at that. Oh, it's still a little warm on the bottom. But I got mine on my plate, and I'm gonna try a bite, and I'm gonna get this one right here. Well, no, oh, I might get a big bite. A little bit of everything. Mm. That is so good. You got the taste of the apple, the cheesecake, the little bits of bacon for that saltiness. I'm gonna keep eating.